Making my first wig. Let's see so far. Hey guys, I am coming to show y'all my wig that I'm wearing. I made it. It was my first attempt to make my first ever wig, my own wig. And I think it turned out pretty okay, being that I really didn't know what I was doing. So, this is it, y'all. It's, the hair I had for like a few years. I kid you not, y'all. I had it for a few years, and it was just laying like in my bathroom under the sink in the cabinet. So, you know, I was like, I want to practice making my own wig. And I'll use this hair that I've had for years and just, you know, just to practice and see how it turns out. And this is how it turned out. The hair, the brand is called Sweetie. And the hair is like wave. I don't know. I'll add the little description from the package that I have. But it's cheap hair, y'all. It's like $10 a pack, and I had 2 packs in my hair. I could have used like 2.5 because it really wasn't enough, but I tried to botch it up and make it enough. So it could be, you know, this hair is covering some spaces, but I could have used more hair to, you know, layer it closer. But I made it work with what I got. So yeah, this is it. I mean, I think it's good enough for if you're having a bad hair day and you got somewhere to go last minute and your real hair is a mess and you're like, dang, you don't got no money. I could just throw this on and it'll work, you know? It'll work. It'll be decent enough to, you know, wear somewhere in public and make it work. So, yeah, this is it, y'all. I'm actually kind of pleased with it. I am. It's going to be my weekend here. So I'm trying to get used to it, y'all. Yeah. Let me give y'all a better view of the whole, like the back and stuff. Let me try to put my camera up somewhere. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I'm finna give you a more long view of it, okay? So, I like it, y'all. It's like really soft. I've had this hair before, but I put it in as a quick weave. And I liked it. I remember I did like it because I was always stuck on like a certain hair I wore for years, the same style, the same brand and everything. And one time it was like last minute, I couldn't get to my hair store to get that hair, and I had got this hair as a replacement. It was like similar because I always wore a Spanish wave, which this isn't Spanish wave, but it's like similar. And I remember getting it last minute to replace my Spanish wave and actually liking it. It's like really soft. It's really soft and it's like not tangly. I just run my fingers through. You know, it's great. So yeah, let me give you all a better view. As you can see already, a long view. And here's the side view. Cute, huh? Here's the back. Cute. So yeah. Long hair, don't care. So yeah, I'm liking it, y'all. Y'all let me know. Did I do a pretty okay job? I think that I did a pretty okay job for my first time. I did. I mean, it's not perfect at all. At all. Don't get too close to it. You'll see some of the problems. But yeah, like here's this. I use a hot glue gun too, y'all. You know, I'll be watching them videos and I saw people using it. I was like, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use a hot glue gun. I used all my little glue sticks I had left. I barely had enough of anything. I barely had enough hair to finish this. Barely had enough glue. But I made it work, and this is the end result. So, yeah. I hope y'all like it. Please, if you watch this video, let me know if you guys think that it's an okay job. If you think that it looks pretty okay. And is it kind of becoming on me? I don't know. I kind of like this color. You want my skin tone. It kind of look cute. Sometimes I'm like, I don't know. I don't like it. But I think I do like it. So anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.